Look at how dirty it gets in here really fast. I clean up my plant and I left like all the leftovers on the floor. You can see in here all the dirt and everything that this vacuum has collected, so let's clean it up. This is the very first time that I have a portable vacuum. It comes with these attachments, and now I can clean my seats very well, and I have access to all these little crevices. This is gonna be one of these things that are gonna make my life a little easier in van life. So far, I love it. Charges really quick with USB-C, so this is perfect for van life, perfect for your car, honestly. And this is only a pound, so it's super easy to use, and it's very portable and cordless too. And this vacuum comes with 3 different colors that you can see on the website. They have it in white, black, and pink. My favorite is white, so make sure to pick your favorite one. I'm gonna leave the link down below right here for you guys. It's gonna be a discount code, 16% for Mother's Day, so make sure to check it out. Let me know if you get one.